Ever wondered how solar panels actually power your home? You know, from the outside, it seems almost like magic, but the mechanics behind the whole thing are actually surprisingly straightforward once you map it all out. So, here's the basic flow. First off, solar panels capture daylight and turn it into electricity. Simple enough, right? Then, the inverter steps in. It basically changes that electricity into power your home can actually use. And the best part? When the sun is shining, your home uses that solar power first. But wait, what about the extra power? Well, any extra energy can be stored in a battery, or it can be sent straight back to the grid. And honestly, having a battery is great because a battery lets you use more of your own solar energy later on, especially in the evening when you're just settling in.
Ultimately, there really is no one-size-fits-all setup here. The right system absolutely depends on your roof, your specific energy usage, and, of course, your personal goals.
So, go ahead and get a tailored solar quote for your home, because think about it. If the sun is just giving away free energy every single day, well, isn't it about time you started collecting it?